Welcome, HOD Civil Engineering Department, Arvind Devangan sir, faculty, and our renowned speaker, Mr. Karan Khajuria, who has been talking on innovation, who had been talking on entrepreneurship. So I welcome Mr. Karan Khajuria for being part of this particular session on business model canvas. So on behalf of Model Institute of Engineering and Technology, Autonomous College, I welcome you all the students, to take the maximum benefit from this particular session. So without wasting much time, I will request Karan sir to take over the presentation mode and start with the business model canvas concepts.
So my mic was muted, sorry for that. So thanks a lot, Praveen sir, for giving the opportunity, and I welcome everyone to this session again. So last time we had like 3 very foundational sessions of design thinking, intellectual property rights, and then entrepreneurship development process. So we spoke about the overview of these 3 domains. So today we'll be talking specifically about a very important strategic template, or you can say a document or a tool, which is very helpful, in your entrepreneurial journey. So before starting this thing, so I just wanted to know the nature of the audience I'm addressing right now. So I would like to request everyone to just listen to this question and then respond in the chat window by saying yes or no. So so there are 40 students right now. So I just want an honest answer to how many of you are are thinking of a startup, or somebody who is already into this entrepreneurship and thinking of launching his own business or startup in coming years. So just just a quick poll from you guys. I just want to see how many people are just thinking about this.